bless you. Bless you. Bless you. How's it going? She almost done?
Yep.
Yeah. You got her feet and her bum. Good job, Soph.
Make a boom.
Okay. We ready to put her in the towel?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Yeah. You're done.
Okay. Thank you.
It's my turn?
To get in the bathtub?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get in the big one upstairs. You won't fit in this one. Sorry. Okay?
At this.
Should we drain that? Take all the water out?
Yep.
There we go. Thank you.